Hey there! In this tutorial, we're going to add a brand new character to the game. Step by step, following the documentation we've prepared. From setting up the character blueprint to making sure everything works in-game, I'll walk you through the full process. Let's get started. Alright, let's open up the documentation and check what we need before diving in. We're going to need 2 skeletal meshes, one for the full body and one for first-person arms. Next, I'll show you how to add a character from Fab into your project. Make sure both are compatible with the Unreal Engine 5 skeleton. That's super important. Everything's ready now. Let's move on to the first step. Step 1. Let's find the skeleton of the character we just imported. Right-click it and choose Delete. In the Delete Asset menu, we're going to replace the skeleton reference with UE5 Mannequin arms, just like you see in the video, or follow the steps from the documentation. Now open the mesh and check if the sockets were transferred correctly from the skeleton to the skeletal mesh. That's important. We'll need them later. Next up, we're going to export the skeletal mesh of the character and open it in Blender. We need to prepare a separate mesh just for the first-person arms. In Blender, make sure the scene unit's unit scale is set to 0.01 if you haven't done that already. Import the skeletal mesh. And press Tab to switch between Edit Mode and Object Mode. To make the model semi-transparent, press Alt+Z. Now delete the extra body parts, just like shown in the video, and keep only the arms. Then, click on the mesh. Shift+click on the root bone to select both. Export the mesh with the exact export settings shown in the tutorial. That part is critical. Back in Unreal, import the new meshes and check the sockets. For the camera sockets, copy them from the skeleton, just like shown in the video. This will make sure the camera works properly in first-person view. Make sure all virtual bones are working correctly and update them if needed. Alright, that's it. Both of our meshes are ready. Next, we'll set up the character blueprint and add support for character selection in the menu. To quickly find our base character, press Ctrl+P and type base character. Right-click it and choose Browse to Asset in the content browser. Then, right-click again and select Create Child Blueprint Class. Name it whatever you like. In this case, we'll call it BP_Michael, and then open it. Now go through each component and assign the correct mesh, just like shown in the video. Once you're done, compile and save the blueprint. You can already use this character in-game, but let's take it one step further. Let's add the new character to the Character Selection widget. Search for Character Selection Data Table. Add a new row and fill it out accordingly. You can refer to the documentation. There's a screenshot that shows which field does what in the widget. After that, press Ctrl+B to open the content browser. Find and open the widget called WB_character selection. Inside the widget, duplicate an existing character entry and then point it to the new data table row you just created. That's it. Now you can launch the game and test your new character in the selection menu.